ሰላም ይህዋት ሰላም ክትሉ ትምኒተ እዩ ናይ ሎምዓንቲ ምፅያ ዘለኹ ከዓ ያው ኣብ ሶሻል ሚድያ ብዙሕ ዘረባታት ስለ ዘሎ ንሱ ከዓኒ ሰልፍ ኤክስፕላናቶሪ እዩ ብዙሕ ዲስካሽን ዘድልዮ ኣይመስለንን ንሳተን ከዓኒ ሰለስተ ጥቕስ ኣለዋ ክጥቕሰን ዝደለኹ ማለት እዩ ሓንቲ ማቲው 7:15 እያ ጎይታ እንታይ ይብለና Be aware of the false prophet who comes to you in sheep clothing but in words are ravens a wolf ይብለና እዚ ከዓ you shall know them by their fruit ካ ይብል እዩ and 1 John 4:20 እንታይ ይብል ጎይታ For whoever does not love their neighbor, brothers and sisters, whom they have seen, cannot love God, whom they have not seen. If someone says, I love God, but hates the fellow believer, that person is a liar. For if we don't love people we can see, how can we love God, whom we cannot see? Genesis 4:9 Then the Lord said to Cain, Where is Abel your brother? He said, I do not know. Am I my brother's keeper? My fellow brothers and sisters in Christ. ይሕዋት ግዜ ብጣዕሚ ዳርከር እንዳኾነ እዩ ዝኸይድ ዘሎ እግዚኣብሔር ካብ ሂወትና እንዳረሓቐ እዩ ዝኸይድ ዘሎ ሓቂ ከዓ እንዳጠፈ እዩ ዝኸይድ ዘሎ The Pharisees have no love for God. Nevertheless, are lady. So we should not waste our time getting into debate with them. All we could do as Christians is to love them and pray for them. They are both lacking much grace. Until next time, God bless you.